Chasing down a wildfire. Are you trying to make a cold liar out of me? You wanna get high, you overcome those desires before you come to me. I think your mama's kinda sad, and your papa's kinda mean. I can take that all away. You can stop playing it out on me. Me. She keeps a pen behind it, yeah, in case she's got something she really, really needs to say. She puts it in a notepad. She's gonna write a book someday. Of course, the only part that I want to read is about her time spent with me. Wouldn't you die to know how you're seen? Are you getting away with who you're trying to be? Trying to be. Of course, there's things upon the earth that we must really try to defend. A lonely beast, a kind heart, something weak and on trend. I'd do it all for her for free. I need nothing back for me. There no sweeter deed may be than to love something enough to wanna help it get free. Is there something on her mind? Something she needs to get by? Do you cry sometimes? Do you cry sometimes? You always say you love me most when I don't know I'm being seen. Well, maybe someday when God takes me away, I'll understand what that means. I just know your mama's kinda sad, and your papa's kinda mean.